Hello, welcome back to Arduino. In my previous video, I explained how to interface digital humidity temperature sensor with Arduino. And we have we printed the values of humidity and temperature onto the screen. Now we can also print the values onto an LCD. So I'll show how to interface LCD and print the values of humidity and temperature on LCD. So please go to my previous video to check to understand how to connect the sensor with Arduino and how to write this program. So now the next part is we'll add LCD and display the values of humidity and temperature. For that, I'll take LCD 16:2 I2C. Yes. Now, this LCD is 16:2, that is, it has 16 columns and 2 rows, and it is based on I2C interface. It has 4 pins. First one is the ground, second one is VCC, and the third one is I2C data line, that is SDA, and the fourth one is SCL, that is I2C clock line. So first we'll connect ground terminal to ground of Arduino, and then VCC to VCC of Arduino. Then I2C data line to A4, of Arduino, and the clock to A5 of Arduino. So we can change the colors and so that it will be easy for us to check. Now I hope this is clear how to connect the LCD and the temperature, digital humidity temperature sensor, DHT22. Now let us write a program. So we'll just need little modifications to the program. And because in this program, we want to print the values of humidity and temperature onto LCD. So we have to initialize LCD. So for that, you have to include the library hash include liquid crystal underscore I2C dot header. And also we have to initialize the liquid crystal. So liquid crystal underscore I2C as LCD, and it takes 3 attributes. One is I2C address of LCD, that is 0 into 27. It is a fixed one, 0 into 27, and the column and rows of LCD, 16 columns and 2 rows. So 16:2 LCD. So we have to initialize that. Right. Now come to the setup part, and here also we have to initialize the LCD by using the function lcd.init semicolon. Now instead of serial printing, we have to print onto the LCD. So first we will print the humidity values in the first row and the temperature values in the second row. So for that, we have to set the cursor, lcd.set cursor, and give the position. So 0th column, 0th row, starting from 0th column, 0th row. And then here you have to use lcd.print instead of serial.print. lcd.print. Now we'll print the temperature values in new row. So again, set the cursor, LCD dot set cursor at 0th column, first row, semicolon. Now LCD dot print, LCD dot print, and here no need of using the new line because the LCD consists of only 2 rows. So, and we have mentioned the cursor position. So, and again you can give a delay of 250 milliseconds. Now, let us start the simulation. See here, you can print the humidity and temperature. You can remove comma because here we don't require any comma, just a temperature in degrees centigrade. Because the number of columns are only 16, we can write it as 10. And then again start the simulation. So this is the humidity and temperature. This is in degrees centigrade. This is Celsius value. So this is the position. We can also change the position and start with the first column. And then stop the simulation and then start. So this is how we can print the values of temperature and humidity onto the LCD. So LCD, there are 2 types, liquid crystal. You can see here, if we go to the peripheral parts, you can see here there are 2 types of LCDs, that is LCD 16:2 and LCD 16:2 I2C. So I2C, it stimulates a chip that controls LCD, right? So we are using LCD 16:2 I2C. This is very simple for interfacing. That's why I have used I2C, LCD I2C. So I hope you understood. Thank you.